Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Shubhada Group of Education Sirsi. You are watching Satish Sir's physics videos for Karnataka CET and NEET. So here's a problem on logic gates. So which logic gate is represented by the following combination of gate is the question. Option A NAND gate, option B NOR gate, option C OR gate, option D AND gate here. Okay, so in such type of the questions, what you need to do is please try to get the value of y first of all. Okay, so clearly the A is the input here and B is the input here, so clearly it is a NOT gate, correct? And this is also a NOT gate here. So the output of that should be complement of the input, so this should be A bar and B bar, and both are given to which type of the gate it is, so this should be clearly a NOR gate, correct? So A bar and B bar are the inputs to the NOR gate, so that's the reason why A bar or B bar the whole complement. Okay, so as you know that AND gate is the right answer for this question. Option D should be the right answer. Okay, as you know that the given expression is y is equal to A bar or B bar the whole bar. Suppose if you use the De Morgan's theorem, okay, De Morgan's theorem, okay, if you use a De Morgan's theorem here, what will you get? Clearly I told you that replace the operation here. So if it is or, make it as and, y is equal to A bar and B bar, and put the individual complement, so that what will you get here? Double complement. A double complement is A here and B here. Okay, so y is equal to A and B. So this belongs to which gate? AND gate. It belongs to AND gate. So that's the reason why which option is correct. In the previous video lectures, I have introduced you about Unacademy special classes as well as plus subscription. Okay, if you take the plus subscription by Unacademy, you will get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, full length mocks, etc. with analysis, and single subscription for the unlimited access. If you use my code Satish 2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so here are some best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. So there is a 12 months plan at just rupees 12,375, and there is a 6 months plan at just rupees 10,125 rupees. If you use my code Satish 2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so that is the completion of syllabus within 6 months. So the course completion in Kannada language as well, dedicated doubt clearing sessions will be there for you. So please try to enroll to the courses offered by Unacademy. Okay, let's move to the next problem now. The output of the logic circuit shown in the figure will be. Okay, so again the same type of the problem now also. Okay, so clearly A and B are the input to the which gate it is? It's a kind of NAND gate, correct? It is a NAND gate, and again here it is a what? NAND gate, but inputs are shorted, so in the sense it acts like what? NOT gate only. Okay, NOT gate only. So let's try to solve this problem now. So here the output should be what? So here the output in this one, here the output should be, it's a NAND gate, right? A and B the whole complement, A and B the whole complement. Now A and B the whole the complement will be input to the what? Again it's a NOT gate, correct? So that's the reason why output should be what? It would be A and B the complement, the whole complement. Clear? Which option is correct? A and B, x equal to A and B should be the right answer. B is, so that's the reason why. Now what actually happens, A and B the complement, the two complement will give you what? A and B only. So again it is a AND operation here, AND operation. So that's the reason for this question, option answer. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I will upload few more videos on logic gates as well as appropriate problems on them. Please do like this. Please do share this with friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Thank you.